Hello everybody, this is Terry Jeanette with Be Creative, and I'm a hobby maxer. Today is Doll Monday, and I have a couple of dolls that I want to share with you. So there's a YouTuber out there called Connie BK, and she is hosting this little collaboration. And all we have to do is show our mod dolls. Now what's a mod doll? Well, I looked it up because I wanted to make sure I got it right, and this is what it said on Google. So it's a fashion doll. Check. Late 1960s, check. To early 70s, check. Although I think she may be late 60s too. Styled in the youthful, modern fashion of the era. And both of these qualify. And both of these dolls were my personal dolls that I played with. I believe this one came out in 1967 or 68. Her name is Casey. Let's look at her first. And she, I believe, was one of the first twist Barbie dolls. She had bendable knees. These are her arms, how they go up and down. And I've shown her before. Some of you have probably seen her. She came in this little bathing suit here that's now all stretched out, but there we go. And she had one earring, and I believe it would have been this side. See, her hair's parted here. So she had one little earring, had a little chain with like I think it was a triangle. You know, I should actually make her an earring. I could do that. Just need to find a little triangle, or I could just use a bead. But it was gold. And I know my sister, she had the same doll, but she was a brunette. Okay, so this was Casey. This girl, who's missing a shoe, she's got everything like, okay, Casey came in this. Francie, that's this girl, she came in this outfit. She's not a twist doll. She does have bendable legs. Arms are the same as Casey, or Casey's there. And she did not have pierced ears. By the way, they both have real eyelashes. She's got blue eyes. She has brown eyes. And one thing interesting about this doll is at one time you could push her hair in there. I mean, she's old. I believe she's about the same age, 1967. I'll look it up for sure and put the date down here. But you could push her hair in there, and then she could grow her hair. I remember I used to wrap it around like this. And she would wear her hair up in a bun. But I've got it pulled out now. But these are my mod dolls. I hope you go check out. It's Connie/B, like B-E-E, / the letter K. Connie BK. That is the name of her YouTube channel. So go check her out there and be looking for other ones that are joining in with us. And let me know, are you joining in at the Mod Doll Collab? I'd like to go check you out if you are. Thanks for joining us today. Y'all have a great day. This is Terry Jeanette along with my mod dolls signing out for now. Bye-bye.